All right, family. I just wanted to share how we made this raised bed here. So this is the finished product here. My oldest son and I, we worked on this because he's been fascinated by masonry. And so in this raised bed, we have radishes on one side and we have turnip greens on the other side. So we are making another raised bed on the other side. So it's all out of bricks, some pea gravel, and some clay soil to keep it all together. And we did have the remnants of Hurricane Ida come through here, and everything is still standing, still fine. And I'll come a little bit closer so you can see me just solid, nice and solid, okay? Nature made materials here. So let's show you what he's doing on the other side with the other raised bed. All right, here is our other raised bed here so you can see closer on it being a work in progress here. So Mikael, he's going to show us really quickly how he makes his mortar here.
Right here. Have clay fill. Just dig all the time. Especially after a rain, like you see. It should look something like this when you break it up. That's what I'm putting in here. And then let's come over here. I like digging it from the driveway because it has so many sides like this here.
Does the size matter?
Yeah, so you can't have such a big stone in here like this because it will be too big and it won't mix properly. You won't be able to mix it properly. Think about this. So the tiny stones. Tiny ones are at the bottom. Another thing I added is I also add regular soil. Just really, don't put too much in there because it's going to interfere with the mix. If you have big chunks, just break them up.
Can you do this with just regular soil?
No, it has to have a clay soil so it can. It has to have a clay soil so it can bond correctly. Because if I do it with regular soil, it's gonna turn to mud, and then when it gets hard, it's just gonna be all it's just gonna be all brittle and it's gonna crack easy.
All right.
Just add a little more. If you add too much regular soil, like what happened to my oven, it will break. Stuff would just start cracking. That's why we have so many cracking problems. The next thing you add is water. Put in here. Now you get a stick instead. So if you have a mixing thing.
So you just have a stick.
Yep. And mix it around. Don't put too much water in here because it might crack. Don't put too little water in here because it'll dry too quick. Only use stuff like this to pack things. But if you're using mortar, like I'm doing right now. If you want more concrete or something, just add bigger chunks of gravel.
Okay, so this is really like homemade concrete.
This is mortar.
Homemade mortar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is homemade mortar. Clay, a little bit of pea gravel, some water, and some regular dirt.
Yeah, like I said, don't put too much regular dirt in there this time. Slowly get stuck in. See, the water's slowly get still here. And then some grass in here. Watering brick involves just putting mortar on. Make sure you fill the voids or these things keep the bugs from going in.
Do you enjoy doing this?
I'll show you. I might have a video on my brick wall.
Yeah. Oh.
Make sure you fill these voids to keep water from sinking in there during a rainstorm. Also, look in here. It's common when you dig out a more, you have some rough things. Just add more water.
Okay. Okay, so y'all can see what he's doing so far here. And as you saw with the finished raised bed across the way, this really does work.
Look at the brick. It don't even move.
Yeah, right now it's not even wanting to move. So we've been through rainstorm. The winds were 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour. So it was really, really intense.
And my tree even was bending.
Okay, and we're talking about a day and a half of pretty much a straight rain. It didn't go anywhere, but mind you, it was already set a few weeks prior to that. But just letting you know that it does last. So we wanted to share this with you because children can get involved. My oldest son, he just turned 9 years old. Children can get out here and help out and do this, or they can even create this on their own.
That was the first day of the storm on one day. Birthday.
So they can create it on their own. And yes, happy born day to him again. So just wanted to send some encouragement that anyone can do this, almost any age and stage. They just get the tools to be able to do it. Our Dollar Tree tool that he's using right now to just to slice cakes and pies and stuff right here. Pretty sturdy tool to do this, but we've just had success in raising some amazing vegetables out here. And lost my train of thought right there for a second, folks. But anywho, we just want to just encourage you. Use what you have. If you don't have wood, because people have been talking about the price of wood and such, we came across our home here and there was a lot of bricks that were left over. People have used cinder blocks. There's so many ways that we can do things, okay, to be more self-sufficient. So thank you for watching, and do leave some comments below and share, hey, if you tried this project before, if you plan on trying it. So love you. Any last words, Mikael?
This mortar here is really strong. Look, if you look through the phone under those stairs, you see over there, my sister built a brick oven out of that mortar and bricks and clay.
And it survived, huh?
It survived the storm. Mine fell over because it was just, my table was just thing.
Yeah, the table was already had shaky legs. Nothing to do with what we're doing now.
And I'm going to add, the brick wall I'm doing over there is going to be, I have a foundation for my table.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be bolted to the foundation in the mortar.
All right.
Wood is going to be bolted in there like this. And my table's going to suspend. So nothing's falling over in the storm.
All right. Well, thank you for watching, family, and do comment below.